As a 20-year-old in the personal finance industry, I can confidently say that MyeCon Global 2025 is a game changer. This Atlanta-based company, debt-free and A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, launched globally on March 15th, and I hope you didn't miss it. MyeCon teaches you how to make and save money using proven strategies that have already helped countless individuals achieve financial freedom. The best part? They offer an incredible 100% complete marketing system at no cost to you. With done-for-you sales funnels, email follow-ups, and member training, MyeCon makes it easier than ever to start your own profitable business. For just $59.95 one time and $59 per month thereafter, you gain access to over $10,000 worth of funnels, courses, and training, absolutely free. Forget upsells, MyeCon provides everything you need to succeed in one place. All you have to do is watch, learn, and take action. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Activate your digital membership today and be part of the global launch. Check it out here, MyeCon Global 2025. Make your move now and start paving your path to financial success with MyeCon.